Hi, in this video, I will show you how to set up a simple autoresponder using Aweber, one of the most reputable and powerful email marketing platforms in 2024. If you want to start Aweber for free, then click the link in the description below to get started with the 100% free Aweber plan, which includes an amazing autoresponder. An email autoresponder is a powerful marketing tool that sends automated email sequences to subscribers based on specific triggers. Imagine a friendly robot that greets new subscribers and delivers a series of informative or promotional emails at predetermined intervals. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Messages on the top left here and go to Campaigns. On the right side here, click on Create a Campaign. Then click on Create a blank campaign. Name your campaign and click on Create. Now here select Start a campaign when someone is added to your list. In a campaign, you can apply tags. Just drag it here. Drag an email to the bottom here, and this will be the first email to your subscribers. You can create a message right here, or actually, you could choose a message from the templates. So now, when you're done building your automation sequence, just go to the bottom right, click on Save, and exit. And then, it will put that welcome series inside your campaign list. Then, you can click on the draft right here, and click on Activate Campaign. And now, it's active. Whenever somebody signs up for your email list, this campaign will be automatically triggered. Thanks for watching our video.